Here we go. Go ahead and do the bottom. Go ahead and do the bottom. You got it in your hand, go for it. When in motion, stay in motion. Okay, scrub pad. Remember, you're gonna scrub behind that. So when I say like use your strip washer, actually clean, if you're gonna scrub, you don't need to do all that. It's just, a lot of people I notice, they're just wetting the glass. You can go ahead. They're just wetting the glass.
Sorry.
Yeah, you're just going 1, 2, 3, and go by your all 4 edges. There you go. You didn't miss anything. Do the bottom, same thing. All your edges. Yep, and you can always go up and down too. Very good job. You see how you just don't miss a damn thing?
Yeah.
Okay, now go back to the top, wet it again. Because you just basically dislodged any kind of surface dirt that's on the glass. So now you're gonna wet it again. You're gonna loosen that stuff up so it's not sitting on the glass. Like, let's say there was something hard there. You're not gonna be dragging it across the glass now. So top 3 edges with your damp. And you can use your left hand. You can have your squeegee in your right and do that in your left when you get good. Okay, now squeegee. Nope, don't do anything down there because all the water's gonna fall. Squeegee. Doesn't matter, either way. Yep, you just have to pay attention to that left edge and stay in the glass. Okay? Very good. Okay, now you're only, forget about the glass, you're just using your damp towel. You're basically cleaning everything right here so it's not gonna drip, so you can do your bottom. And feel free to swipe your left to right and left corners, edges. And you're just prepping that bottom piece of glass so that you can squeegee it. There you go. Don't worry about the sill. There you go. Okay? Either way, right up and down or left and right. Very good. Okay, now use the damp towel. Oh, you can't ever do that. You can't ever do that. I'll explain why. Put your squeegee away. Use your damp towel. You're just doing your sills right now. Where all your water fell, you're using that wet towel. And once you get the bulk of the water, put that towel away, grab a dry one, and now is your final touch-up. So with the dry towel, you're going back to your top, your bottom, you're doing all 4 edges of the glass. There you go. Put, yeah, 2 fingers in there. 2 fingers, there you go. Because see, you're getting 1 there and 1 there. There you go. Did you get the glass on that bottom swipe? You got to get finger on the glass. There you go. You understand what I mean? Because you want to get, there's always a white line that forms right there. Mm-hmm. So you need to get a super dry towel as your final touch up on all the edges of the glass, and you're looking for that much of it to be dried. You know, you're looking for a good little 1/2 to 1/4 inch. So I take a super dry towel, 2 fingers, and I'm like this. So I'm getting this whole little edge. Not just the corner. I want to make sure that there's nothing on this whole edge of glass.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Okay? All right.